Hello and welcome to our splash screen design contest tutorial. In this tutorial we'll show you how to design a splash screen for QuarkXPress. We'll be using one we've previously done as an example. Firstly, drag and drop the QuarkXPress 2024 logo. Choose the size for your logo, then right click Scale Picture to fill box. Make sure that you leave some space on the left of your design. Then add in a background image. Move your layers around so that the QuarkXPress logo is brought forward. Next, create your QuarkXPress waves. Go to the menu at the top and hover over the utilities. And then click on Shape Maker. Next, choose the settings to get the wave shape that you want. Then choose a gradient. For this we have chose Axial Gradient. Next, rotate and position the shape to create the wave that you want. Now you can choose what colours you want your gradient to be. For the competition, make sure that you use the QuarkXPress hex code colours. Next, repeat the same process of creating waves at different sizes, using different colours to make a pattern. Use the Bezier pen tool to make white outline waves to make your design instantly stand out. Once you have done this, you can change your colour to white and also change the thickness of the line. Once you've created the lines, you can choose the position that you'd like it to be in. Then your design is complete. Click Export and submit your design in 3 different sizes, which are on our competition website page.